Hi, we've just popped to the Happiness Cafe here in Alsancak, next door to the Belvedere. You can't miss it. It's a lovely little place. That's an old Cypriot house that's been beautifully restored and turned into a really lovely cafe. The cafe is run by Hussein, who hopefully we'll get to meet shortly. But I'll take you round. It really is a lovely place. Beautifully restored and stylishly decorated. It's a little haven. It's open in the mornings, probably from about 9-10 o'clock, and we'll stay up until about 10 o'clock at night. You can come round in the evening and have cocktails, which is quite splendid, and very occasionally they'll have some live music here as well. They've got a lovely selection of cakes and wines and coffees and things. It really is a great place to come and chill. There are lovely places to sit both inside and outside. It's lovely to sit out here in the evening and have a cocktail. We're just climbing up to the terrace on top here. Hussein, who's the owner, is taking us up to show us. So there's another place to sit out here. Here's Hussein.
Welcome.
Tell us a little bit about the cafe.
My grandfather house before, and when he give me, I repair and restoration. I try restoration. I make it. These irons, this terrace, and downside, and I hope all peoples is coming here and feeling happy. And cafe name is Happiness Cafe. Yes.
It's a perfect name for it. Thank you. It really is a lovely cafe as well.
Thank you.
Well, we've come back to the Happiness Cafe in the evening here, just to give you a feel of what it's like at night. Quite atmospheric, quite moody, and really very pretty still. So, once these cars have gone past, I'll have a wander in and show you what it's like in the evening. Hiya, how are you? Hussein. Hi, say hello again.
Hello. Everything okay?
All good, yeah.
Welcome to Happiness Cafe again.
Brilliant.
Well, we hope you've enjoyed our visit to the Happiness Cafe here in Alsancak. It's a lovely place. Come and meet Hussein and his family and have a lovely afternoon, morning or evening. It really is well worth the visit. I strongly recommend it. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the like buttons. This helps us develop the channel and create more videos like this one. We'll see you very soon.
Your choice. Follow my view. Yes. Not just shot. Normally, give a just shot. Press a call. But here,
Happiness.
happiness cafe. Deserve.